Hey, so every time I wear these shorts, right? Here in New England, these Patriots fans just gives me grief over here. These fictions give me grief.
That's crazy music.
That's crazy music. All right, so today, kids, we're going to be talking about lower leg health, especially for my runner's knees. Well, I don't have runner's knees, but my clients do, so I will be sharing with you a quick little tip. All right, you're gonna take a little baseball and you're gonna find your anterior tibialis right here. You're gonna flex your toe up, grab the ball, and apply pressure. And then you're just gonna do some circles with your ankles there. Ooh, it's nice and tender. And other way. All right, then you're going to plantar and dorsiflex about 10 times. This will just prime that region, get some blood flow and fluid to like loosen up your ankles and protect those knees, right? Just that simple. I'll go more in depth later, but for now, let's work out. We got another fixin' over here. They're doing a fixin' workout. We got ultimate booty gains happening here at Lynx today. Ultimate booty gains. I'm working on my booty too. But the workout that they have planned is like,
Oh, you mean the one that you're joining in?
Ooh, I might be joining in. Okay, maybe. We'll see.
Challenge.
Purpose of me doing this, right? So I got Kaylee holding the cam for me. She doesn't want to be on camera, so you know she's a boss. So I'd agree. She's just gonna be on the camera, right, from time to time. But we're all gonna be getting the workout in together, same workouts, right? Right, Kaylee, nod the camera.
Right.
No, nod the camera. There you go. Alright, so that is my time with these ladies. I'm gonna go shower up and go train my client. You guys did awesome. Strong, strong, and strong over there. And yeah, day starting right now. Let's go. What's going on? I'm in the South End now, headed to train a couple of clients before I return to Lynx to teach a boxing class. One of my tribe members is on a journey to lose 100 pounds. So I will be, and he also watches some of my videos, so I'll do my best to supply him with tools, tips, and resources to help him along his journey, because that is a tremendous feat that he is striving to reach. So any way I can help, I'll be helping him a ton. So if you're on a journey to lose some weight too, stick around, stay tuned. Ask me your questions down below and I'll be sure to answer them. Anyways, my mind is elsewhere. It's on these couple of sessions, so let's get to it. So one of the resources I speak of is the Stop Exercising, Start Training ebook that I've written. It's on my website now. Grab your copy, theseasonlife.com. Hit the link below, and yeah, or I'm gonna pop up something around here. I wanna see if, I'm gonna test that little technique out. Window pops here, click on that, it'll take you straight to the website, all right? So we are back at Lynx for the lunchtime boxing class. I just wrote everything on the board right here. Got the first combination. So here I'm looking to teach them basic defensive maneuvers here with the slip right, slip left, and also the roll right maneuver. So this is going to be highly focused for today's class. And so we got two combinations on board there, 7 stations. I just set up the room. We got the squat row right over here. We got the med ball slams. Gonna bring the row erg in here as well. It's gonna be a kick-ass cardio class. Again, if you're in the Boston area, you got your lunchtime free, nothing to do, come to Links and enjoy this class, man, because it is one of the best in the city. Not bragging, it's just facts, all right? Check me out.
Good one.
Most improved, right over here. She kicks ass. Go follow her, yo. She got the juice. She got the juice.
All right, now I'm off to meeting number 2 this morning. Well, afternoon, and yeah, let's get to work. Wipe the sweat off, and back to the hustle. Right?
Yep, back to work.
Let's go.
All right, peeps. So I am rushing to this lunch meeting. Basically it's another referral. Yo, what up, what up?
How you doing?
Good, good.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. It's another referral that I got for another exercise program. They want to shoot it starting next week, so they're gonna run some ideas by me, see if I'm a good fit, and land that gig. So it's gonna be freaking awesome. Tons to look forward to, man. The hustle is real out here. And by the way, I'm gonna be in New York Friday through Sunday, so looking forward to seeing some of the homies. But right now, hop on the bus and get to this meeting. So just finished my lunch meeting, and yo, dog, landing this gig is going to be my biggest payday to date. So they heard some really good things about your boy. They got a big budget and they're looking to get to work ASAP. So they're gonna run some numbers. We're gonna meet next week, and yeah, let's get to work, man. Like, so far this year, 3 months in, like, a lot of my goals I'm hitting, and like, I can't really describe this feeling, but pure joy. You know, it's just doing what it is that you love, setting a goal and striving to reach it. Like, my mind can't really comprehend what's really going on right now, so I just need to take some time, a little bit off, to process it. So I'm just going to like step away from technology, get my brain, you know, meditate, do all of that good stuff. Go pick up August from daycare. So I'm going to end this video here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. And yo, don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla at your guala, guys. Peace.